Are you ready for a culinary adventure? Then come to Sri Lanka, where the food is as delicious as the scenery. From the fiery curries of the south to the delicate seafood dishes of the north, Sri Lankan cuisine is a feast for the senses. You can visit local markets to buy fresh ingredients, take cooking classes, or dine at restaurants that specialize in Sri Lankan cuisine. And if you are looking for a truly unique experience, you can even visit a homestay and learn about Sri Lankan culture and cuisine from the locals. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Sri Lanka today. Sri Lankan cuisine is a fusion of Indian, Chinese, and Middle Eastern influences. The country's long history of trading with other cultures has resulted in a wide variety of dishes, each with its own unique flavor profile. There are many ways to experience Sri Lankan gastronomy tourism. You can visit local markets to buy fresh ingredients, take cooking classes, or dine at restaurants that specialize in Sri Lankan cuisine. If you are looking for a truly unique culinary experience, you can also visit a homestay. This is a great way to learn about Sri Lankan culture and cuisine from the locals. Sri Lanka is a great destination for gastronomy tourism. The country has a rich culinary history, delicious food, and stunning scenery. With so much to offer, you are sure to have a memorable experience. Visit Sri Lanka today and experience the best of gastronomy tourism. Without good food, your travel will not be complete.
la la.